Welcome back to Ginger Cat DIY, the place where I do stuff, and you can too. Today I'm joined by Cats Fighting. I decided it's time to go back to crafting, simple crafting. So it's time for an unboxing. I got a kit on a whim today because it got delivered today. I decided to get a craft for beginners. I've done a lot of clay on this channel, and you know my imaginary grains that I have the Not Another Crap kit and the Super Not Another Crap kit. So I'm very familiar with clay. Adult supervision required. So let's see how this does. I'm going to do the activity. Ryan Human Man is going to join me. So let's take a look. But before that, I'm playing with clay, and I didn't want to do my nails before playing with clay. So judgment-free zone. Okay, let's go ahead and get to it. You're going to need a craft kit, and we're only using what comes in the craft kit. Let's see what's inside.
Hey, that didn't come in the craft kit.
You're right. Let's double check to make sure we have all of these supplies. There's supposed to be a 149 piece set, so 149 pieces. We should have 12 clay polymer. That's these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I can't count to 12 any other way. 3 pendants. Oval, heart, and a heart. What's next? 12 charms. We have 2 daisies, 2 butterflies, 6 hearts that say made with love, and 2 bar charms that say dream. 12 charm links. I am going to assume they mean these. Jump rings. 99 beads. Some clear ones, some gem-like ones, and 2 different kind of spacers. These ones are different colors. These are kind of flowery. Some balls. 2 pendant clay cutters, 1, 2. I have a whole bunch of new clay cutters that I will show you in a different video. But here these ones are. A ruler. Now, part of the reason why I wanted this kit was there are things that I can scavenge from this kit, and it was a pretty good price. I can keep those. I can keep this. Here's another tool that I'd always like, and a ruler. I don't have a ruler like this. 3 necklaces. 1, 2, 3. These are tiny. Well, this limits who I can give them to. 30 inches of bracelet cord. This stretchy elastic. Oh, I skipped a step. But glue. This one I'm a little worried about. Will it actually hold? I am a firm believer in Bacon Bond, and this, my friends, is not Bacon Bond. Bead rod. This thing I'm looking forward to. It should be nice and cool, as in awesome. Very sharp and pointy. Please be careful. A cutting tool. And instructions. Voila. So let's clear our materials and our workspace. For my bracelet, I think that I would like to do white.
Oh, I know you're not going to want the purple anyway.
Teal.
Oh, I'm going to go with these.
Okay. Pink. Knead clay for each color and roll into balls. They are different sizes. This looks like a pink pet eraser. Then, oh, this is really hard.
Yeah.
So like these were more like Sculpey 3, and this is like original.
Yeah, the hardness
Sculpey.
isn't consistent with these at all.
Unfortunately, this does not give us a means to measure. So let's just roll them into equal lengths. That's what we're doing. Long strands.
Assume that's pretty good.
Oh. I'm an overachiever.
Maybe I gotta shorten it up or do all three of them that length.
No,
Because I'm guessing equal lengths is probably.
I'm gonna do equal lengths. That's fine. And fold them in half. Do this 2 more times.
One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Nope, smaller than that.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Smaller than that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Then make that into 2 pieces.
10,
You're gonna have some extra.
11, because this side is so much tinier than this piece. Oh God.
Put that remnant back over there with that one.
And then roll each section into a ball. That did not turn into a ball. This one is better. Put the cap off, put it in my safe place. I'm going to follow their instructions and not my helpful hint. Quick and easy to bake. They cool down quickly. And this was easy to use. Now I'm going to put the point back on. And now I'm going to put the point back on. We have already picked our charms and some beads. And it doesn't look like we're going to need the jump rings because the jump rings are already on the charms. Necklace. What charms are you going to use for your pendant?
I think I'm putting these on there.
Okay. Thinking about those. So let's see if it fits. It fits. Oh, it doesn't fit through
The charms.
this jump rings.
Yeah, I didn't look at it.
Glasses. Could you get yours open?
Yes.
How did you get yours open?
Tough fingernails.
Well, I'm trying to use my fingernails. You represent an adult, and I guess I represent an 8-year-old child. I pierced my thumbnail.
It's a nail charm now.
But I'm just making my manicure worse.
This is maybe where, for the sake of finger safety, you may want to cheat and get a tool that did not come with the kit.
Well, the only tool I'm going to use is you. Could you open that for me?
Okay, I'll be a tool.
Be my tool, please.
Okay.
Thanks. It's important that you have your face up, your pendant face up, and your next charm face up. That one fits through. May I have some help with this one, please? There's those. You don't actually measure the wrist when you make a bracelet, because, especially if it's not very stretchy, because if you get that tied, you still have to get it across the wide part of your hand. So that's not actually how you measure a bracelet. You measure a bracelet over the widest part of your hand, not fully stretched out. So then you add a little bit extra for tying off later. So they don't have a means of cutting except for this. Let's see if this works. Works well enough.
It actually works.
Your best bet is to leave it on the table. Always leave beading on the table.
The beadings are still on the table.
Yes. Start with the bead. After we're done with this and we start giving our opinions, I will show you some tips and tricks. Let's fast forward. And we are wrapping things up. Mine did not need my last 2 beads, a spacer, and here are a few extra diamonds. I put my charms on. I did 3 knots. Trim off the ends. Here's the full-size bracelet and 2 charms, and then here is a smaller bracelet. Pretty straightforward kit. All right, let's take some beauty shots and then we're going to go to our final verdict. And there you have it. It's a really good kit. Ryan, Human Man, what would you give it?
Probably 7 out of 10.
For beginners, I would give this kit probably an 8 out of 10. I think that it has a lot of the materials that you need to do this. It would be nice on the back to tell you what you do need. You are going to need to have a ruler. You're going to need to have scissors, but we got by. I also have some tips that I'd like to have for the instruction book. Overall, outside of those little tiny expert sort of tips and tricks, it's a great kit. The clay has no odor, didn't stink up the kitchen when we were baking them. We're going to keep a lot of the tools, definitely this piece, the rolling pin, the cutters, the knife tool, the leftover polymer clay for sure, the leftover spacers and gems. Those will be very useful. They give you plenty to get these projects done. This doesn't show you anything that it's not. Remember that it's for ages 8 and up. Ryan Human Man did make a bracelet for an adult male size. So if you have wrists and hands that are that size, then you'll be fine. I have rather petite wrists and ankles, so I needed a smaller. It accommodated us both, and there's still enough left over for the third jewelry set. Let me know if you want me to make that set using my tips and tricks. All right, that was our rating. Overall, really great. In the next one, we'll find out. We'll see. Let me know what you'd like to see. Until then, bye. I was gonna say inquired. Adult supervision. Nope. It did not come in the kit.
I'm just wondering if this came in the kit, and that's 8 inches long.
No, this did not come in the kit.
It's 7 inches.
You wouldn't let me use a sharp thing
Okay.
before opening the kit. You can't. Nope.